What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is WoLvER AI, and today we are witnessing something historic. Everyone's been hyping Sora from OpenAI. Oh, it's so cinematic. Oh, VO2 from Google is unbeatable. But then XAI dropped Grok, and they said it can generate videos for free. I thought, let me test it. Let me push Grok to its absolute limits. And guys, what Grok generated? It didn't just compete with Sora and VO2, it absolutely destroyed them. So I opened Grok and I typed my first prompt. I said, generate a video of a fast speed car driving into a narrow road. Cinematic angle, motion blur, photorealistic, 10 seconds. I hit enter, and this is what came back. Look at this. Look at the car, the detail, every curve, every reflection, the speed, the way the background blurs as it races forward. The narrow road closing in around it. This isn't just good for AI, this is cinematic quality. Sora would have given me weird warping here. The car would melt into the road. Grok, perfection. Now watch this. This is Sora's demo video of a car driving. Looks decent, right? But look closer. At 3 seconds, the car's wheel warps, becomes oval, stretches. Now look at Grok's version again. No warping, clear wheels. This isn't a competition, it's a massacre. I typed, generate a video of a fast speed car driving into a narrow road at night. Headlights cutting through darkness, rain on windshield, city lights reflecting off wet asphalt. Everyone stop what you're doing and look at this. The headlights, beams cutting through rain, actual raindrops, individual, falling. The windshield, water running across it. The reflections. City lights bouncing off wet asphalt, reds, blues, dancing as the car passes. Sora, it can't even do rain properly. I typed, generate a video of a fast speed car driving into a narrow mountain road. Sharp turns, steep cliffs, dust kicking up behind. This is the death sentence for most AI models. Roads warp, cars float. No way. Look at the road. It stays solid. It curves. It bends. The car follows it. Tires gripping, never floating. The dust, kicking up behind, clouds of it, drifting over the cliff edge. This is not possible with any other free AI tool. Let me show you why Grok just killed Sora. Sora's version shows a car on a mountain road, but watch, the road vanishes. The car just drives on air. Now look at Grok's version. Road always there, always solid. Sora uses diffusion. It guesses what should be there. When things move fast, it guesses wrong. Grok understands physics, understands depth, understands speed. Look at the speed in Grok's video. You can feel it. The camera shakes, the road blurs, dust explodes. Sora's speed? Fake. No physics, no weight. Now let's talk about VO2, the supposed Sora killer. It's not even public. You can't use it. You can just watch demos. Grok, I threw random prompts at it, crazy prompts, and it delivered every time. Here's the craziest part. Sora, rumored to be $10 to $30 per video. VO2, probably thousands per month. Grok included with X Premium, $8 a month, and some users get it for free. I typed, generate a video of a fast speed car driving into a narrow tunnel. Lights inside, concrete walls rushing past. This gave me chills. Look at the tunnel entrance. Dark, intimidating. The car shooting toward it. Headlights igniting the darkness. The walls, rushing past inches from the car. You can feel the pressure. The lights inside, strobe effect, flashing. The exit ahead, a tiny dot of light, growing, rushing toward it. This costs millions to film in real life. Grok did it in minutes for free. Okay. It's not all perfect. Generation time. Grok takes 8 to 10 minutes. Sora takes 2 to 3. You wait, but the quality is unmatched. How do you get Grok video generation? Step 1, get X Premium. Step 2, open Grok. Step 3, look for the video icon. Step 4, type your prompts, be detailed. Go try it yourself. Open X, open Grok. Type a fast speed car driving into a narrow road. Or something you want to see. Come back, comment, tell me what you created. If this video showed you something new, hit like. If you're excited about AI video, subscribe. We cover every new tool. Comment below, what should I generate next? Give me your best prompts. This is WoLvER AI signing off. Go create something amazing today. Peace.